Hi, my name is Makoto. I am a permanent makeup artist. I want to share with you my passion, my journey, and my mission. I am not an ordinary permanent makeup artist. I see myself as a dream weaver. I've worked really hard and I won the award in Europe, Canada, and the US. But what matters most to me is how I use my skills to help people. I believe truly successful permanent makeup artist is someone who can bring happiness to people's lives and then turn their dreams into reality. I don't like to stay comfortable. I'm passionate about winning and overcoming every challenge. My specialty is a technique known as nano hairstrokes, a meticulous art that can transform the lives of people. There are people out there who are fighting conditions like alopecia, a condition that causes ongoing hair loss throughout the body. Many have lost more than just their eyebrows. Hair is lost, it may grow back, but only to be lost again. Alopecia is defeating and terribly heartbreaking. Also, some people struggle with conditions like a trichotillomania mania, where they pull out their hair when stressed. It's uncontrollable. And others lose their hair due to chemotherapy, are also among the brave individuals fighting the battle against the hair loss. However, with the magic of nano hair strokes, we can make their dreams come true. I've seen tears of joy in clients' eyes when they look in the mirror after the procedure. They are not just seeing beautiful eyebrows, they are finding their confidence again. That, my friends, is what I live for. I was born in Japan, raised in Miyagi Prefecture, and now live in the US. I've traveled the world honing my skills. I am not just a permanent makeup artist. I am a dream builder, a confidence booster, and a supporter of these people who lost a part of themselves. I'm here to share what I know, my passion, and my skills with the world. Together, we can make dreams come true, one hair stroke at a time, and bring happiness to many people, achieving super success as a permanent makeup artist.